Welcome back guys to my channel. So we just took the metro here. We are come here to Jort Fairs and this is how the place looks like, guys. So I think they have a lot of shops here. I'm not sure if it's only food, but let's check it out. So
Food, it has shopping and they have some cool bars also.
Leaving everything, this is the first place Grace comes to buy stuffed toys. Okay, crochet stuffed toys. ये स्टिचू तो है पर थोड़ा डिप्रेस्ड है वो.
One eternity later.
Although this is a nice dress, guys, I'm not sure which kid Grace is gonna take this dress for. तेरा कोई cousin है जो ये पहनने वाला है? Grace, let's go to the shop where they have shoes and books. So some Nikes, girl. That lady just left. It's no one's business. These are something nice. These are a bit different. Let's check the other side, guys. Ooh, these are nice. It's for $14.99. So apart from rings, guys, we also found a place where I think you get those elephant pants. I think this is it. I think Grace is again finding clothes for kids, which is that. We finally found the best spot, guys, because there's food here. This is what they have here in menu. The decor is 20 on 10, that's for sure. Let's check if there's something I would want to eat. There was this one video by some very famous food blogger which I had seen, and he had eaten a huge bowl of pork ribs. I'll just show you all a small thumbnail or like a small picture of what it actually is. And I think I just found it at Leng Zap. So I'm going to quickly show you all what it is. Grace, would you want to try it?
Done. Chalo.
Let's check it out. So this is what I mean by what it actually is. Guys, this guy is gonna take us to the restaurant and we're gonna try this stuff out. It's a cool place though. You're gonna get your hands messy. And this is the middle of the street, so it extends all the way till there. First, let's try this out because I'm really hungry and I'm waiting. But first, there is Chang and there's Leo and there are a few more other beers. But I think these two are the only beers I would prefer.
Acha.
If you're an Indian who wants to come and want to try some beers, Leo is more like a Kingfisher Strong with the bitter aftertaste. The Chang would be probably like a Kingfisher Ultra Max or a T-Box Strong. Mom, I don't drink beers. It's just something I know.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Two hours later.
We're just done with our dinner and it was fucking amazing. Pardon my language, but it was amazing, guys. So this is the place we are headed to. And I think Grace spotted what she wanted. I think we found what you want, Grace.
No, it's not
one is selling this, guys. I don't know what they're up to, but
ये वो देख वो देख वो देख वो देख
it's live. Guys, these are called pistol shrimps. They have some kind of like a anchor in their hand, which hits so hard that the water around it evaporates. I learned this from Discovery, so please subscribe, and Discovery, please sponsor me. I'm kidding, Discovery. But no, again, if you all still consider it, please do know I'm here.
संडे को संडे को मस्त नहा धो के
Apparently, we checked shoes once again, but Grace, I don't know why she wants to check it again.
This is a different shop.
Okay, this is a different shop. Ooh, look at the kicks, guys. You know, usually when you have so many options to choose from, you get very confused. You know, there's a thing with females. Shopping never stops. And finally, guys, we found it. We found elephant pants.
अभी तक हमने मैंगो स्टिकी राइस
कंट्रोल कंट्रोल
I've always wanted a bottle. Apparently, every shop I walk by, I feel like I need it. I've always required it. And I think
Same. I always wanted to get a tattoo.
so.
These are body paints.
I think I
These are
forgot
body
to.
paints.
These are body paints, but I think guys, I forgot to tell you all that I am planning to get a Sarkant tattoo. I'm not sure if most of you all know. Pierce a needle through your skin. It's not machine, it's hand poked. That's what makes it different. And the process is like you need to speak to the monk, you need to, have some conversation with him about what you would want to do in your life, and that's how you get it done. This is gonna try it now. How's it? I think
It has like a
go ahead and try the jumping shrimp. That is something I really wanted to do, but let's see how it goes. I think there's a shop there which did just inform Grace that they have the thing, so let's check it out. But I want to finish this.
we will take one mango sticky rice.
Grace can't stop enjoying.
I've been waiting to have Coke. I love Coke. And this is the right amount of juicy with sweetness.
I think they're selling sticky rice as well, guys. So this is how it looks. I never knew that there were 3 colors in rice, but apparently there is.
When you make it, it's with the color.
So I think now we're moving to.
My phone, if I get lost, how will I call you?